Hello, my name is Brandon, and I'll be showing you around some of the great new features you'll find in SimWriter 3.5. And let's start with the Map tab. You'll notice that we've added a highlight to selected links. I'm sure those of you familiar with previous versions of SimWriter will really appreciate this. These highlights make it much easier to follow your selected path. The Map tab in SimWriter has always been extremely easy, an easy way to view the overall structure of your simulation. However, in pre-3.5 versions of SimWriter, once your sims became more complex, the branches started overlapping, and it could be confusing to follow your links. Well, several new features alleviate this problem, this highlighting of the links being one. Another improvement to the Map tab is that the links are now curved. This is another visual improvement that will allow you to read your map easily. And then you'll notice when I select any component, now any of the links that come from that component are now highlighted gray. This helps you, once again, helps you follow where the map is proceeding. And you'll also notice that there's just a little bit more gutter around all of the links. We found all these improvements to the Map tab very beneficial as we create our sims. A major improvement found in 3.5 is the way images are handled. Those of you who are familiar with setting up characters in previous versions of SimWriter will be excited to know that the days of linking in each and every emotive state is over. Now you can import an entire collection of stills simply by using this new feature. And you're not restricted to collections that come with SimWriter either. You can link in your own sets of agent emotive states and then simply click Save. And clicking Save, that creates your own collection for use in other projects. Backgrounds and buttons can also be saved as collections. You simply want to right-click on the image you wish to add to a collection. Creating collections saves a lot of time as you work across different projects that utilize the same components. Previous versions of SimWriter required users to link in each button state individually. Now with collections, you got it. You can import all states at once. And not only import, you can also update everything at once. A very nice new feature. You can add any media or graphic to a collection. Audio, video, you name it. It's a very, very useful time saver. Another new feature in SimWriter 3.5 is the check simulation feature. This feature quickly checks your entire simulation for errors. Errors can include missing media, misnamed memory points, bad behavior script, basically anything that can cause an error. The feature, you'll notice, creates a comprehensive log. Any error listed in the log can then be clicked on, and then that takes you directly to the area of the simulation where the error has been identified. Much easier than poring over every nook and cranny of your simulation looking for that misnamed memory point. The log console, another new feature, is for those projects that involve several team members. The log shows who has been in the sim, when they opened it, when they saved it, and when they closed it. And last but certainly not least is the multiple document interface. No longer are you tied to only one SimWriter document at a time. Multiple documents can be opened and, believe it or not, you can actually copy paste between the documents. A huge time saver and improvement. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this overview of the new features found in SimWriter 3.5. Really a bunch of great productivity enhancers.